Welcome back. This is Jacob Milligan, owner of 9M Investments. Today, I'm going to be walking through how to make sure that you're taken care of when it comes to cybersecurity and protecting your financial accounts. The biggest investment threat in 2026 isn't the stock market. It is the cyber criminals that are coming for your information. Charles Schwab recently released a report that has some staggering data in it. So fraud increased over 1,200% in 2025. Losses are projected to reach over $40 billion annually by 2027. Again, those numbers are very big. Now, AI didn't create fraud, but it has definitely made it better. So I'm going to walk through some of the three biggest frauds styles that are coming across, and then some of the ways to help protect yourself. So these are the three scams that every investor should know. Voice phishing. So this is you receive a phone call from somebody claiming to be your financial institution, a technology provider. They know your name, they know where you invest, the caller ID all looks legit, but then they ask about suspicious activity on your account, or they ask you for your login credentials, or authorization codes sent to your phone. All these things are red flags and a sign for you to hang up immediately. If everything happens like this before, call that, hang up and call back that institution and ask, were y'all trying to reach out for me? And you'll find out very quickly if that was the case or not. Most institutions will never reach out via phone. You will get a letter, you'll get an email. Phone calls are not how people approach you from financial institutions. Fake websites. This is a huge problem. You Google Charles Schwab for adventure or any other financial institution, and you look at those top search results. Well, the fraudsters also know you're looking at these top search results. Do not click on those links. Any type of institution that you do business with, have it saved somewhere, type it into the browser bar before you launch it. Do not click on links, even from Google searches. And then lastly, malware hidden in your everyday emails. It has come to the point now where your email cannot be trusted really at all. Um, Anything and everything is probably being watched. You probably have malware in your email currently. Everybody does. So when you're sending delicate information to an advisor, to a trust company, to anywhere else, always ask, do you have a portal where I can upload this information? Do not email any information that can identify you or has credit card information or anything that to anybody, even to your trusted institutions. Ask for a portal, ask for some other way to share that information besides your email. And then obviously, why are retirees targeted? Well, they have the money, larger account balances, typically have multiple financial accounts, high trust in institutions, and then less familiarity with some of these new AI technologies and their ability to trick us. So some of the things that you can make sure that you do to protect yourself. Never provide passwords or codes over the phone. Again, your institution will not reach out to you that way. They will email you, any other way than a phone call. Financial websites, again, type those directly into your browser or have links pre-saved where you're not going through search results. Use multi-factor authentication on every financial account. I know it can be sometimes a little bit of a pain, but make sure that you do that. I highly suggest using password managers so you can store all these passwords because it does become kind of burdensome to have a password for all these different things. So it's hard to keep it all in one place. These password managers are a great way to do that. Keep your computer and your phone updated. When you have those security features that get identified, you want to make sure that you're updating and making sure that you're erasing those vulnerabilities. And then again, a lot of times if they get you on the phone, everything is very urgent. Realize nothing is that urgent. Slow down and realize if they're really pressuring you to get it now, to give you codes, just hang up and call back your institution, your advisor, your CPA, your estate attorney, whoever that may be, and just give them a call. Nothing is urgent. Everything can be done, at a later date. And then continue to update because this won't stop. The AI, the criminals, they will just continue to get better. So make sure that you're educating yourself on what's going on, what they're doing. Obviously, that's part of what my role is to help you understand all the risks that are out there. So again, these days you want to make sure that one, you take the time. If something seems fishy, it probably is. Hang up and call that institution. Um, Email, use portals, do not share personal information through those emails. And then again, make sure that you keep all the things that are important to you protected. Do not share over the phone. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you.